Wheat, one of the world's oldest and most essential grains. But have you ever wondered how this humble crop transforms into the fine white flour that feeds millions every day? In this video, we're taking you behind the scenes of a modern wheat flour production line, step by step, to uncover the fascinating industrial journey from grain to finished product. It all begins with raw wheat intake. Once delivered in bulk, the wheat is stored in silos before entering the pre-cleaning phase. Here, vibrating sieves remove large debris, followed by magnetic separators that extract metal particles, ensuring the safety of the production process. Next comes destining. This step removes any small stones or heavy impurities from the batch. A wheat scourer then polishes the surface of each grain, reducing microbial load and improving milling performance. The air recycling aspirator removes lightweight materials like dust and husks to deliver a fully purified product. With the wheat now clean, it moves into conditioning, a critical step that controls moisture. Water is added in precise amounts and the grain is left to rest, allowing it to absorb the moisture evenly. This improves milling efficiency and strengthens the outer bran for easier separation. Then, the milling begins. The cleaned, conditioned wheat is guided into a series of roller mills. The break rolls crack the wheat open, and the reduction rolls continue grinding it into finer and finer particles. But it's not a single pass. Each stage is followed by sifting using advanced plan sifters that separate different grain sizes and feed coarser material back into the system. Specialized purifiers use air currents and sieves to separate the semolina from bran and fine flour. This step ensures high extraction rates and top-quality output. Depending on the desired flour grade, like bread flour or cake flour, the final fractions are carefully blended in automated silos. Finally, the finished flour is directed to the packaging line. Whether in small bags or bulk sacks, each product is weighed, sealed, and prepared for delivery using high-speed packing machines designed for hygiene and precision. The result? A high-quality, food-safe flour ready for bakeries, pasta manufacturers, and food industries worldwide. At Alloy Industrial Sourcing, we specialize in sourcing and implementing production lines just like this, customized for your capacity, space, and regional regulations. We're not just suppliers, we're your strategic industrial partners. If you found this walkthrough valuable, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into food processing lines and industrial sourcing insights. And if you're planning a flour production project, contact Alloy Industrial Sourcing today for expert consultation and turnkey solutions.